Good morning, children. How are you all today? Please take good care of yourself. Today, let us begin the next part of lesson number 7, Types of Houses. We have learned about different type of houses, isn't it, children? Let us just revise on what factors we can build our house. Building a house depends on the availability of space and funds. And we have already discussed about the climate conditions, how the climate conditions are important. And of course, the material availability are also very important factors. Children, today we are going to learn about temporary houses. These can be built for vacations. Suppose we are going for vacations and we need a house to live in. So these temporary houses can be built for temporary basis. Sometimes they are built because of the climate of the region. Suppose it's a flood or any other calamity is there, so we can build these temporary houses to save ourselves. For example, along the coastal areas. Children, I hope you know the meaning of coastal areas. Coastal area can be defined as the area where the land meets the sea or the ocean. Temporary houses are often built using wood or coconut leaves by the fishermen. Children, now let us learn some of the temporary houses one by one. The first one is tents. Tents are used by people who want to go camping on holidays. They are made of waterproof materials like canvas cloth or nylon. Children, now let us see some of the pictures of tents. These can be built for temporary basis and then after the use we can fold and keep it away. The next temporary house is caravans. Caravans are the houses on wheels. Earlier, they were pulled by the horse of bullock, but nowadays they are pulled by cars or trucks. See, children, the pictures of caravans. These are the inside pictures of caravans, the luxury caravans which are used by people who roam from one place to another. Now, children, let us learn about houseboats. Houseboats are the floating houses, that is, houses on the water bodies like lakes, ponds, etc. They are generally found in Kashmir, Kerala, and also in Hong Kong and Holland. Let us see some of the pictures of houseboats. They are beautifully designed and very comfortable to live in. Now, children, let us see these temporary houses, how they are built, and how they can used by the people.
There are some people who keep moving from one place to another. So they need houses which can be shifted easily from one place to another. Such type of houses are called temporary houses. For example, tents, huts, caravans, houseboats, stilt houses are different kinds of temporary houses. Let us discuss about them. Tents are made up of sheets of nylon, canvas, or polythene. Tents are generally used by mountaineers and campers as they are always moving. Tents can be fixed at a place and when required can be folded and taken to another place. Tents protect people from cold and storms. People living in villages live in huts, provided with thatched roofs, generally made up of husk. Huts are a type of temporary or kacha house. Mud and straw are used to make huts, hence huts are not very strong. We know that nomads are people who do not live permanently at a place. They usually live in caravans. A caravan is a type of temporary house which can be moved from one place to another with the help of an ox, horse, or a van. People who live in caravans generally come together to form a community. Another type of temporary house is houseboat, where boats are carved in the form of houses. These houses float on water and have their own arrangements such as water tank for drinking and washing, a separate sewage tank, waste disposal system, etc. Moreover, there are vendors who move in small boats selling different kinds of items. In India, houseboats are common in the Dal Lake in Srinagar and in Kerala. Stilt houses are houses which are built in areas prone to floods. Such houses are built on a raised platform with the help of bamboos or poles. They are built in a way that water easily passes through them without causing them any harm.
So, children, I hope you have now understood about the temporary houses. Thank you, children, for watching this video.